Hello everyone, welcome to the Man Glow Up project. Today we'll explore the tips and tricks for budget-friendly solo travel for men. If the idea of creating your own adventure excites you and you want to do it in a cost-effective way, you're in the right place. Get ready because this journey is tailor-made for you. Let's step out of our comfort zones together and set sail for new horizons. Budget-friendly flights and accommodation. Now let's look at the cornerstones of budget-friendly solo travel. The first issue is finding affordable flight tickets and accommodation options. So, where should we start? Flights. Firstly, we need to find budget-friendly flight tickets. 1. Which days are affordable? Often flights on Tuesdays and Wednesdays can be more budget-friendly. 2. Early planning. If you plan your flight at least 2-3 months in advance, your chances of saving increase. Accommodation. Flights are sorted, now it's time for accommodation. Whether you stay in a hotel or look for a more local experience, finding budget-friendly accommodation options is now easier. Use online discounts. Don't miss out on discounts on sites like Booking.com, Expedia. Explore Airbnb with the advantage of direct communication with hosts and a wide range of options can be one of your choices. Use the right filters. Use filters effectively to narrow down search results and find homes that suit your needs. Specify criteria like location, price range, house type. Check host profiles. Carefully review the host's profile. Reviews, guest ratings, and previous experiences can give you an idea of trustworthy and hospitable hosts. Review house rules. Read the rules set by the host carefully. Review rules and expectations for guests and make sure you can comply with them. Hostel culture. Hostels are not only budget-friendly but also offer a social experience. Read reviews from other travelers. Feedback on cleanliness, safety, and the social environment will give you an idea of what the hostel can offer. Security measures. Check the hostel's security policies. Opt for hostels with security measures like key cards and locked lockers. Peace and boutique hotels. Small boutique hotels often offer personalized service. Understand the hotel's concept. Visit the official website to understand the unique concept and atmosphere of the boutique hotel. Availability and cancellation policy. Check the availability status before making a reservation and review the cancellation policy. Flexible cancellation options provide protection against unexpected situations. Read reviews. Read reviews from other guests to get information about the quality of service, cleanliness, and staff. Explore local flavors. The best way to understand and enjoy a place's culture is to try local cuisines. But how can you do this in a budget-friendly way? Street flavors. In many cities, street vendors or markets offer local flavors at affordable prices. Trying street flavors frequently chosen by locals allows you to get to know the culture up close while keeping your budget intact. Get local recommendations. Get recommendations from locals or hotel staff about budget-friendly and tasty local restaurants. Choosing more authentic places away from tourist areas is usually more economical. Meal opportunities. Restaurants may have discounts or promotions on certain days or hours. By checking the local event calendar, you can take advantage of these opportunities. Utilize the sharing economy. Experiencing a traditional meal in a local's home can be both an economic and cultural option. You can participate in meal events organized by local hosts on platforms like Airbnb. Safe and smart travel tips. Solo travel should be safe. Backup documents. Prepare copies or digital copies of your passport, ID, and other important documents. Storing these documents separately will help you in case of loss or theft. Choose safe accommodation. The safety of where you stay is crucial. Choose reliable and secure accommodation options by checking reviews and evaluations. Use a hidden wallet. Get a hidden wallet that you can carry in your front pocket. Storing your important cards and cash here will make you safer against potential dangers. Local transportation information. Learn about local transportation options such as public transport or local taxis in advance. Researching options like these will help you travel consciously and safely. Emergency communication. Stay in daily communication with your family or close friends. Sharing where you are and your plans is important for emergencies. Interact with locals. Interacting with locals can help you get to know the city better and get assistance. Attend local cafes or events to gain reliable impressions. Enjoying solo travel. Finally, let's talk about how to enjoy solo travel. Planning to meet new people, participate in local activities, and create unforgettable memories. Discover local flavors. Explore the city's culture with your taste buds by visiting local restaurants. Trying new foods can be the most delicious aspect of your solo travel. Join local events, check out events in the city, and join those that interest you. Concerts, exhibitions, or local festivals can add color to your solo travel. Discover natural beauties. Exploring natural beauties outside the city is a great way to spend time in a peaceful atmosphere. Enjoy serene moments by visiting hiking trails or nature reserves. Chat with locals. Interacting with local people helps you understand different cultures. Get to know local life by chatting with people in coffee shops or parks. Take time for photography. Taking photos during your solo travels is a beautiful way to immortalize your memories. Capture beautiful landscapes and moments as you explore the city. By focusing on these recommendations during your solo travels, you can meet new people, enjoy memorable moments while discovering local culture. Remember, being alone sometimes offers the most special experiences. And that's it. Basic tips for budget-friendly solo travel for men. I hope this video is helpful for anyone who wants to travel alone. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe.